Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It News channel. And so we talked about a little bit about the new Apple iPhones that were coming up. We talked about the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, and now there's the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max that are also the ones that were released. So what's the specs according to Apple? So this is the Apple page for the specs. So both versions coming in silver, graphite, gold, and Pacific blue. The capacity for the phones, of course, from 128 to 512 gigabytes, depending on the version you will choose. The phones, of course, are bigger. So one of the things that you'll notice is that they are a little more heavy. The difference between the display on the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max, screen size, 6.1 inch versus 6.7 inch. That's starting to be a really big phone actually here. Of course, Super Retina XDR display, resolution, very close resolution and PPI on both models. So this is what we have as the new phone. They're using, of course, the A14 Bionic chip, next generation neural engine, very powerful phones, of course. The Pro has a 12 megapixel camera system, ultra wide, and telephoto cameras. So that's one thing to check for. The Pro Max has something a little more powerful, but they're quite similar in what they will do. They can do 4K HDR, of course, recording and all of that. The colors and the dynamic range is amazing. So 5G, once again, is the keyword that some people found it funny how many times they said 5G. But those are also some new iPhones coming up. This is the latest in the series of iPhones for Apple. Really the big jump has a lot to do with camera. For the rest, 5G, depending where you live, might be more of a something to think about than something that is actually going to happen. But this is the way it works. So check it out. They are expensive phones, and they are in the latest line of iPhones for Apple products. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.